I used to be an events management student here at the University of Derby, and now I am an operations supervisor. I take care of events that happen here at the Dome, so I supervise the students, giving them a real world learning experience, building their confidence and preparing for the world of work.
One of the modules that I've studied has been event production, and this has helped me to visualise and know how to put on an event. So I've done events at the Dome before, and it's helped me to know what to do and put it into practice in real life.
I'm currently studying hospitality management. I'm a first-year student. Doing hospitality management is one of the most exciting course to do.
Hospitality is all about working with people and communicating with people, and this is, I think, the perfect environment to meet a lot of amazing people from all over the world.
This massive event of 920 guests, it's going to be an exciting experience for us, but it's also learning but enjoying at the same time. So setting up today, the chefs in the kitchen prepping, you got the front of our staffs doing the setting of the tables, and then tomorrow the massive event starts. Majority of us are studying to be managers, so we can take that skill and use it out in the working world and becomes better entrepreneurs ourselves, and to also manage whatever establishment we go into.
My name's Jessica Perkins and I'm studying culinary arts in my first year. In lectures we learn how to do the basic filleting, the cutting, and then going into the kitchen here we've been able to know where we're going, put that into play.
This gives me a big opportunity to put what I've learned in hospitality operation into practice. I've never served, I've never worked on an event where there is like 900 people. I'm thrilled. I'm looking forward to serve in such big capacity.
If you're cooking for like 1,000 people, say, not many people can say that they've done that. So it's really, really interesting that you get that opportunity to be able to cater for that many people as well.